Explain the equipment composition and connection method of the laser sensor. This is the camera. Dongle. USB extension cable. Laser. USB extension cable. Here is the set screw. If the host is close to the camera, just connect it directly to the USB port of the host. If the host and the camera are far away, you need to use a USB extension cable. The female head of the USB is inserted into the camera. The male head is connected to the host's USB port. Connect now. Plug the camera into the host's USB port. The dongle is also plugged into the host. The laser is powered separately. This is the overall connection.